Lugnason Falls here in Siquijor today. I didn't check it. I didn't check it on the photos before coming here, so it's a total surprise. The waterfall is so big, and you can jump from the rock from very high and from the top of the waterfall too. And the water is beautiful, not so crowded. There were moments when there were no one else, but it feels like everyone is cheering for each other when someone is jumping. You can go into those caves there. Look! You go up to the top of the waterfall there, and then you can jump from the top. It doesn't get so hot and too sunny because it's all covered with trees, with the lush green jungle. Such a good experience. I went into that cave. I didn't jump. It's not for today, I guess. Such an amazing experience.